Holidays collide. It's time for our holiday tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Santa Claus. Was the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington came here from Halloween Town. You'll notice his handiwork scattered around. This year he's decided to play Santa Claus. But Halloween creates Christmas. You might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in your black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared for what Jack has in store. Watch on all children, please. All good fools and boys must sit safely in their seats and keep in their sleigh of all hands, arms, legs. All was soon covered, adorned, and arranged. And what do your wondering eyes see? This chance with us.
signs of the zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, the scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tea leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with a force that is pure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer with a truth that is sure.
With some tricks and some games, you can make a seed man. Why, even an inch of his house got seeds.
Myself this time. Look at all the happy faces. Season's greetings, everyone.
I'll be waiting to